Hey guys, so I want to make a quick video, perhaps a little chat, because I got some comments, and I always get comments about people who've lost money in the Dubai real estate market. Some of them haven't really lost money per se as yet, but the market value of their investments has currently gone down. So what kind of mindset or what resolution do these people have? Before that, show reel. Okay, welcome back to the video. Check this out. In my hand is a book, kind of thick book, called Principles by Ray Dalio. This gentleman runs one of the largest hedge funds in the US market, perhaps in the world. It's billions and billions and billions of dollars. At some stage, they actually stopped taking your money because they were making billions and billions of dollars worth of investments in the stock market across the globe. They technically couldn't take any more money because deploying that money was too difficult. He wouldn't even at one stage meet you if you were not, and when they were taking money, he wouldn't meet you if you did not have $150 million. So it goes to give him, right? Until Tony Robbins met him once and he said, look, Ray, what are you going to do? You got to pass on this knowledge to people. And I think that set off Ray Dalio on his journey to writing a book. He's available on the YouTube, etc., and so on and so forth. But if you read his book, right, which is a little bit thick and it's got nice life principles and work principles, and I do recommend that you should get this book, you will find that there are multiple times during his investment journey, over a 4-decade-long investment journey, he's been wrong many times, right? He made a call and it was wrong. At times, he lost money, his investors lost money, and there were other times they did great, right? Which is why he's so successful and he's quoted by a lot of investors around the world. But let's come back to those who invested in the 2013, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 period into Dubai market, and have seen perhaps values go down, the rental markets come down as more inventories come in. We're in a weird pandemic situation right now. Now, I want to quote something straight from his book. Let me quickly read it for you. I'll try to read fast, okay? All great investors and investment approaches have bad patches. Losing faith in them at such times is as common a mistake as getting too enamored of them when they do well. Because most people are more emotional than logical, they tend to overreact to short-term results. They give up and sell low when times are bad and buy too high when times are good. I find this is just as true for relationships. Wise people stick with sound fundamentals through the ups and downs, right? Quote slightly longer and I'll put it over there. Essentially speaking, look, sometimes you make investments and they go absolutely right, okay? Sometimes they go wrong. Okay, now what is the solution if they've gone wrong? If they've gone right, great. But what if you didn't have anything to do with them going right? All you did was just your neighbor was buying, you bought, and the market generally went up and you're pretty okay, right? What if the market was not going up and started going downwards and you feel all of a sudden it was wrong to invest? How do you adjust this? There's two ways to look at this, okay? And he talks about this. Most people are emotional. They will purchase when markets are going up and they will sell. So they will purchase when markets are going up and they will sell when markets are going down. Okay? So if you've bought over here and the market starts going down this way, here you start feeling bad. And this is the general situation with most people, okay? Most people buy here, they start selling here. You've got to calm your nerves and you've got to start looking at the long term or the long run, the 5, 10, 20-year window, okay? This is where you end up making more gains. If you start looking only short term, you might as well be day trading, buying Bitcoin and stocks and so on and so forth. Nothing wrong with that. The other thing that you should, well, there is no should, okay? First of all, kind of sometimes suck it up, okay? Sometimes things go right, sometimes they go wrong. But the more you focus on the wrong, the more they're going to continue going wrong. The more you focus on the right, the more they're going to go right for you. So listen, don't keep thinking about how wrong they've gone. Try to focus on in the 5, 10, 20-year period or 5-year period at least, things are going to turn around. And same thing with Dubai, with the real estate market. That is what it is the world over, okay? However, even before this, he talks about this. Most people are emotional. They don't look at fundamentals. And a lot of people know this. I've been advocating, well, who am I to advocate? I've been sharing my experience, my opinion. Instead of going with the gut, the disorganized, the shoot from the hip approach, I've been advising my clients, my investors, to take a more organized, to take a more systemized and process-driven approach where you look at fundamental value, okay? I'm going to put it over here. This is the key, okay? This is key. If anybody knows anything about the stock market, Apple stock's trading, I don't know, maybe about $1,000 or more at the moment. If Apple stock tomorrow dropped to $200, would you panic and sell, or would you be buying more? I hope if you're buying more, you're looking at the fundamental value that Apple provides in terms of their products to the general masses. Same thing applies to a property in a city. Does Dubai have great infrastructure, great security, great prospects, international city, well loved, well liked, lots of tourists coming in, lots of people want to live here, lots of people want to buy in, do business here? Maybe. Does that tick the box? Maybe. Do your own analysis. The property, did you buy in a good location? Did you purchase good quality? Did you purchase a good price? You didn't overpay the price? All of those things. If that is the case, then you've bought into fundamental value. Stick it out. Sometimes in the short term, they might appear wrong. In the long term, things are going to work out for you, okay?
Okay guys, so thanks for watching. My name again is Fahd Dawood. I've been doing this for 14 plus years. I started in 2006 in Toronto, Canada, and since 2007 I've been doing this in Dubai. I generally talk about real estate, your life, my life, and our path to allowing financial bliss coming to us. If you want to work with me, such as buy a property in Dubai, or you need general advice, you can hit me up on in the contact form below. If you've liked this video, I'd appreciate if you subscribe, press the bell icon, and hit the like button and share it with other friends. Ciao for now.